there, I'm Alaric from the British School Jakarta, and for the last 2 years we've been working with Bahasa Pusara about improving education in Ambon and Maluku through the donation of books and online lessons. We've also supplied the area with lots of sports equipment, and we're here this week in Ambon to distribute that and to find out what we can do to support them moving forward.
Hello, we're at Collins Beach at Latu Halat. We're here with Bahasa Basudara and the British School from Jakarta. We've been visiting various schools and looking at further cooperation between schools and British School and Bahasa Basudara. We've also signed various MOUs with different universities in Ambon, Polytechnic, IAKN, IAIN. So we're hoping that everything will go forward and we can help all the children and the young people in Maluku to progress and increase their English abilities.
Halo Basudara semua, perkenalkan beta Ega Patiasina dari Yayasan Ponsagu Maluku. Saat ini kami bersama-sama sedang membantu Om Jeff dan tim dari Bahasa Basudara, juga tim dari British School Jakarta untuk mengunjungi beberapa sekolah-sekolah yang ada di Ambon. Kami berharap semoga kedepannya dengan adanya kolaborasi dengan Bahasa Basudara juga British School Jakarta, itu akan membawa sebuah perubahan dan percepatan peningkatan kualitas pendidikan ya, khususnya dalam hal pengembangan bahasa Inggris di Maluku.